Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft account security setup. And in today's video, I will show you on how to set up a recovery code and how you can access your Microsoft account recovery code and how you can use it to recover your Microsoft account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account, just like what you see right here. After logging into your Microsoft account, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to security right here. And under the security, allow everything to load up. Go ahead and click on manage how I sign in. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to recovery code right here. Go ahead and click on generate new code. Recovery code. Here's your new recovery code. Print it out and keep it safe place or take a picture of it. Your whole recovery code will not be work anymore. Can click on got it. But with that, make sure you get this particular code, copy it and paste somewhere or print it somewhere. This will allow you to recover your Microsoft account anytime you are having issue of getting access back to your account. Just use the recovery code and you are good to go. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Microsoft account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.